It is now time for the unboxing of the BlackMagic microconverter HDMI to SDI, the world's smallest HDMI to 3G SDI broadcast quality converter. What else does it say on there? Features: convert HDMI to SDI, SD and HD up to 1080p 60, international power supply, power over USB. So I needed to get this because I have the Aja box that does SDI. I have a number of HDMI output cameras, so I'll go from this box into my Aja converter and then into the computer if I need to. So that's the box, microconverter HDMI to SDI. Oh, here's a whole bunch of cool text here. Da-da-da-da. The world's smallest. Awesome. Convert HDMI to SDI. Awesome. Connections and power. Microconverters. Features full-size HDMI professional 3G SDI connections for working with SD and HD formats up to 1080p 60. You get a universal power supply with international AC plug adapters, or you can power it over USB from a laptop or mobile phone charger. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. All right, let's open her up. Yeah, BlackMagic always has this like funky extra wings on the boxes. I wonder if it gives it like added water protection. See that? Oh, Luke, I am not your father. Ah, that's totally. Look, I could flip this up. I could like put eyes on this. Roger. Oh, why? Why did you leave me? Ah. Oh, you know what it's like? It's Cookie Monster. That's what I'm getting from this. Cookies. Electronics. Oh, that was funny. Okay, so there's the box. Here comes the stuff. Oh, yeah, there it is. So it comes in this like incredibly wrapped cardboard origami. Oh, some piece of paper. The cool dude working on like technology. He's pressing buttons. We all love pressing buttons. Ooh, let's even get that in focus. Thank you for selecting BlackMagic Design for your work. We're excited to offer you the highest quality video tools combined with the reliability you need for 24/7 operations. Oh, sorry, for 24/7 operation. We understand there are so many pressures in modern television facilities to deliver the highest quality and fastest workflow. That is why it's important we adapt as your needs change. This means, I can barely read this, it's so small for me. Let me see if I can get it closer to the camera. Come on, baby. This means we would love to hear if you have any suggestions or ideas so we can add new features via software updates. We hope you get many years of enjoyment from your hardware, and we look forward to hearing from you. Download our latest software, download your user manual, download. Finding support. This side's fun. Look at that. It's the buttons. That's what I'm jealous of. I want to press gear. Woohoo! Okay, so that's came with it. This is here. That's the box. Came in here. Focus. Okay, and then I start opening it up. Dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, there is a power supply. Come out of here. There. Power supply. Pretty standard, right? It's got that adapter function so you can put any kind of international plug-in you want. Let me check the voltage. I always like to see what it is it's taking in, if I can find it. Looking. Wow, I can't see an actual... Oh, there it is. Whoa, it's tiny. Wow, 5 volts. Looks like it's a 5 volt. Oh, it's a micro USB. Check this out. Micro USB. How crazy. Okay, then we open this up. Here's the plug options. Again, it's really cool that they have these, but then you find the one you're using, and unless you're traveling again, I don't know, I have to make like an art installation with all the rest of them because they just start piling up in the studio, you know? It's like, ugh. But we're going to go with this one because it fits my country. Let's see. Interesting. So I think it goes right on like that. See? Cool. Okay, that comes out. Here is the actual converter. It's so tiny. It's like a pack of gum. Like, feels really cool. It's got terrific heft. Feels like a real piece of equipment. Love that. SDI out, SDI out, HDMI in, and there's our power source right there. So that would, let's play pretend. Let's pretend that's plugged in. And then we're over here. And we go, well, we look here. We plug that in like that. So that would plug in like that, right? Awesome. Goes there. And that's the box. And that's what it comes with. Pretty straightforward. I'm hoping it'll be really fast conversion to go from that here into the Aja, and then from the Aja into the computer. For streaming, this will let me use any camera I want with this and my other SDI. So for cameras that just have SDI out, I can go straight into the Aja. And for all my HDMI, I can go in here, convert it, and then go into the Aja. So hopefully this will work, but that's the unboxing. Thank you.